Back in the very early days, Jerry asked, Abraham, are there any laws of the universe or anything that if we could really get a handle on, it would help us to understand how all of this works? And we said, there's the law of attraction, and then we defined it. You're a vibrational being, and as you emanate a signal, you will attract like to you. The second law we called the law of deliberate creation. That's where you think on purpose. You can do it by default. That's what most people do. They look over there and they think about that, and they look over there and they think about that. But very few people are guiding their thoughts according to their guidance systems, because very few people are trying to harmonize with the larger part of them. They don't even know that larger part exists sometimes. And they certainly didn't realize that that larger part of them is thinking right here, right now about what they're thinking about. The law of deliberate creation. Paying attention to your emotions and thinking in the direction of what you want as your inner being does. The third is the law of allowing. That means I have isolated and identified and calibrated my frequency to the frequency of my source. So I have the clarity and the knowledge of all of that inside. And then the fourth, we said, was segment intending. You're moving into a new segment all the time. When the phone rings, new segment. When you're at the dinner table and all of you are there except that one who's always late, and then that one gets there, new segment. Constant new segments, new segments, new segments. And if you will stop and identify what you most want from this segment, you activate within yourself. You cause yourself to be one of the cooperative components that is already gathered. In other words, your inner being has already gathered cooperative components. Often you're the only holdout.